Welcome to Who Wins Reviews. The best Brumate Era is probably one of the most versatile and innovative tumblers on the market, designed to keep your beverages at the perfect temperature for hours on end, whether you're enjoying a hot coffee on a chilly morning or a refreshing iced drink on a summer afternoon. Its unique design and advanced insulation technology make it a standout choice for anyone who values both style and functionality in their drinkware, ensuring that every sip is as satisfying as the first. Number 5. Coldest tumbler with handle and straw. Never worry about spills again. This tumbler is engineered for a completely leak-resistant experience, ensuring your drink stays inside, no matter where you take it. Enjoy your beverages at the perfect temperature for longer. Its triple insulated wall keeps drinks ice cold for over 36 hours, or hot for 13 hours. One tumbler, multiple ways to sip. It comes with 3 lids, including a straw option, a sip lid, and a flip top, catering to all your hydration needs. Designed for comfort and convenience, it features a large ergonomic handle and a non-slip rubber bottom for a secure hold and stability. This tumbler is designed to fit 99% of cup holders, making it your perfect companion for on-the-go hydration. Available in various sizes and over 40 color variations, you can sip in style anytime, anywhere. What we like? This tumbler offers guaranteed leak-proof performance with 3 different lid options for ultimate versatility. If you're someone who needs a reliable drink container for any situation, from your daily commute to intense workouts, and you value peace of mind against spills, this is the one for you. Its extended insulation also means your drinks stay perfectly chilled for over 36 hours, making it ideal for long days or outdoor adventures. What people say? It really keeps water cold for a long time. I'll typically fill it 1.3 to 1.2 with ice, and that will easily last 24 plus hours. The rubberized bottom keeps it nice and steady on otherwise slipper surfaces like tile. 3 lids. I've admittedly only used the folding straw lid so far. Make sure to cut the straw at an angle. Mine was almost exactly as tall as the water bottle, and I could barely get any water up it. Once I clipped it, I'm getting huge gulps, to the point that I haven't bothered to try the gulp lid, but it's nice to effectively have 3 water bottles in one. Number 4. Replacement lids for ID tumblers, 4-pack. Discover the perfect finishing touch for your drinkware. Explore our collection of complementary accessories to enhance your set. Designed to fit your 20-ounce tumblers perfectly. Enjoy a secure and reliable fit for your favorite beverage container. Experience worry-free hydration on the go. These lids ensure a leak-free journey, keeping your drinks secure no matter the adventure. Keep your lids pristine with ease. The removable slider allows for thorough cleaning, ensuring a fresh drinking experience every time. Achieve a perfect seal with our precisely sized lids. Enjoy peace of mind knowing your drink is protected from spills. Enjoy your beverages without the worry of splashes. These lids provide reliable protection against spills and messes. What we like? This is a pack of 4 replacement lids designed for spill-free sipping, featuring a removable slider for easy cleaning. If you're tired of leaky lids or want to ensure your existing tumblers are always protected against spills, especially during your commute or travels, this set is a fantastic solution. The compatibility with various popular tumbler brands makes it a versatile choice for many users. What people say? It creates such a tight seal that you have to open the slider before you put it on, and then once the lid is on you can slide it closed. When the slider is in the open position there's a tiny hole opening which I expect is what keeps the liquid flowing. When the slider is closed the tiny hole is sealed tight with a small piece of silicone. The top is made of sturdy high-quality BPA-free plastic, according to the manufacturer, and I have had no problem cleaning it either by hand or in the top rack of the dishwasher. Number 3. 2-pack silicone boot for Stanley cup tumblers. Introducing the ultimate protection for your Stanley tumblers. This silicone boot safeguards your cup from drops, preventing dents and scratches. It acts as a durable base cover, ensuring your favorite tumbler lasts longer. Crafted from premium, BPA-free silicone, this accessory is built for durability and safety. It's dishwasher safe for effortless cleaning and slides on and off easily, making it a practical addition to your daily routine. Tired of loud noises when you set down your tumbler? This protective sleeve significantly reduces noise, offering a quiet experience. The flexible, food-grade silicone provides a snug fit that stays put, even during travel. Enjoy enhanced stability with its anti-slip bottom. It ensures your cup stays firmly in place on any smooth surface, preventing accidental slips in car cup holders or on tables. It truly acts as an ideal cup protector. Get incredible value with this pack, perfect for keeping spares, mixing colors, or gifting to fellow Stanley fans. This essential accessory is a must-have for home, office, gym, and all your outdoor adventures. What we like. These silicone boots provide essential protection for your tumblers, reducing noise and offering an anti-slip grip. If you're concerned about damaging your tumbler's base from drops or preventing it from sliding on surfaces, especially in your car or on your desk, these are a must-have accessory. They offer great value with a 4-pack, ensuring your tumbler stays stable and protected. What people say. The Brumate Era is a game-changer for keeping drinks perfectly chilled for hours. Its innovative design ensures no condensation, keeping your hands dry and surfaces protected. The secure lid prevents spills, making it ideal for on-the-go use. Number 2. Elemental 40-ounce Tumbler, Vintage Flower. Introducing the Elemental 40-ounce Tumbler, your perfect companion for any journey. Its stylish vintage flower design adds a touch of elegance to your daily hydration. Designed to fit seamlessly into your car's cup holder, this tumbler makes commuting a breeze. Enjoy your favorite beverages on the go without any hassle. With its comfortable, ergonomic handle, carrying your drinks is effortless. Its generous 40-ounce capacity ensures you have plenty of hydration for the entire day. This tumbler comes with 2 interchangeable straws, catering to all your beverage needs. Whether it's water, smoothies, or bubble tea, we've got you covered. Crafted from premium 18-8 food-grade stainless steel, it's built to last and is completely BPA-free. Enjoy safe and durable use, perfect for your active lifestyle. Experience drinks kept cold for up to 48 hours thanks to its double-wall insulation and insulated lid. Plus, cleaning is a snap as it's dishwasher safe. What we like. This tumbler boasts a large 40-ounce capacity with a commuter-friendly design and includes 2 different straws for various beverage types. If you need a high-capacity tumbler to keep you hydrated throughout the day without constant refills, and you enjoy different types of drinks from water to smoothies, this is an excellent choice. Its insulation keeps drinks cold for up to 48 hours, perfect for long trips or busy schedules. What people say. It has 2 ways to drink your beverages. Keeps ice very well and is easy to wash and clean. Love that it has the straw that closes to make it leak-proof along with having the spout you can drink from. The triple-wall insulation technology ensures that beverages remain cold for up to 48 hours and hot for up to 12 hours. Users have reported that ice remains intact even after 24 hours, making it ideal for long trips or extended outdoor activities. The tumbler is dishwasher safe, simplifying the cleaning process. Its wide mouth design allows for easy hand washing as well. Number 1. Magnetic Straw Cover 2-pack. Tired of losing your straw or having it get dirty? Our magnetic covers attach securely to your lid, keeping your straw clean and in place, even during your most active moments. Enjoy worry-free hydration wherever you go. These protectors create a tight seal on your tumbler straw, preventing leaks and spills, making them perfect for any activity. Keep your straw tip clean and hygienic with these essential accessories. Drink safely and confidently, whether you're working out or on the move. Designed to fit Era, Risa, and most stainless steel tumbler straws. They are easy to attach and remove, seamlessly integrating into your active lifestyle. Made from food-grade, BPA-free silicone, these covers are safe and reusable. Choose from a variety of colors to match your personal style and active life. What you like? This accessory features a magnetic closure for leak-proof and hygienic straw protection, compatible with popular tumbler models. If you lead an active lifestyle and worry about your straw getting dirty or leaking during workouts or commutes, this is the perfect solution. It ensures your straw stays clean and sealed, offering peace of mind for on-the-go hydration. What people say. It doesn't leak at all. The straw is easy to use with no worries of losing it. I do recommend the magnetic cap. It keeps bugs from getting in and keeps the cold better. The magnet is strong and doesn't get in the way of drinking when placed on the lid. The little ridges make it easy to get on and off the tumbler. Plus I love that they stick to the lid so you don't have to worry about losing it when drinking from your tumbler. The magnet strength it has, easy to use cleaning, and the fit is perfect. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.